False lashes are the ultimate game changer when it comes to enhancing your eyes and elevating your makeup look. But with so many options out there, finding the perfect pair can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best false lashes that cater to different styles, occasions, and skill levels. Whether you're a lash newbie or a seasoned pro, these picks promise to make your lash game strong. Let's find the ideal lashes for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Huda Beauty Samantha Lashes. The Huda Beauty Samantha lashes are a cult favorite known for their dramatic yet natural look. Crafted with premium synthetic fibers, these lashes strike the perfect balance between glamour and everyday wear, making them versatile for any occasion. Key features: these lashes boast a layered design, creating a full, wispy effect that enhances the eyes without looking overdone. The lightweight band is flexible, ensuring easy application and all-day comfort. The lashes are reusable up to 15 times with proper care, making them a great value for their quality. Benefits and usage: Huda Beauty Samantha lashes are ideal for anyone looking to add volume and dimension to their eyes. To use, simply apply a thin layer of lash glue, wait for it to become tacky, and place the lashes along your natural lash line. Their medium length makes them suitable for both daytime and evening looks. Usability: these lashes are user-friendly, even for beginners, thanks to their flexible band and manageable size. They blend seamlessly with natural lashes and work well with most eye shapes, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Durability: with proper care, the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes can be reused multiple times without losing their shape or quality. Cleaning the band after each use helps maintain their longevity, making them a reliable addition to your beauty arsenal. In the second spot, we have Lilly Lashes Miami. The Lilly Lashes Miami style is a go-to for celebrities and makeup artists alike. Known for their dramatic, fluttery look, these 3D mink lashes are perfect for anyone seeking a bold, glamorous finish. Key features: made from 100% mink hair, these lashes are lightweight and ultra-soft. Their 3D design adds layers of volume and dimension, creating a show-stopping effect. The thick, durable band ensures a secure fit while maintaining comfort. Benefits and usage: Lilly Lashes Miami is perfect for creating a bold statement, whether for a night out or a special event. To apply, use a quality lash adhesive, align the band with your natural lash line, and press gently for a flawless fit. Their long length and dramatic curl make them ideal for standout looks. Usability: these lashes are best suited for those with some experience in applying falsies, as their thicker band may require a steadier hand. However, their luxurious feel and stunning effect make the effort worthwhile. Durability: the Lilly Lashes Miami are built to last, offering up to 25 uses with proper care. Cleaning and storing them in their original packaging ensures they remain in top condition for multiple wears, making them a long-term investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Velour Lashes Plush. The Velour Lashes Plush is a top choice for those seeking a natural yet enhanced lash look. Made with cruelty-free silk fibers, these lashes deliver softness and comfort without compromising on style. Key features: these lashes feature a subtle, wispy design with tapered ends for a natural appearance. The cotton band is lightweight and flexible, ensuring an easy application process. The silk fibers mimic the look and feel of natural lashes while adding a touch of elegance. Benefits and usage: Velour Lashes Plush is perfect for everyday wear or understated glam. Apply a small amount of lash adhesive to the band, wait for it to become tacky, and press along the lash line. Their soft, fluttery design enhances your eyes without overpowering your makeup. Usability: the lightweight band and natural design make these lashes beginner-friendly. They are suitable for all eye shapes and work seamlessly with minimal or full face makeup, offering versatility for various looks. Durability: these lashes are reusable up to 20 times with proper care, making them a durable option for regular use. Cleaning the band and storing them in their original case helps maintain their quality over time. Taking our 4th spot is Eylure Definition Lashes. The Eylure Definition Lashes are a drugstore gem known for their dramatic flair and affordability. Designed to add depth and definition, these lashes are perfect for creating bold, eye-catching looks on a budget. Key features: these synthetic lashes feature a tapered design with longer ends for a striking cat-eye effect. The band is pre-glued, simplifying the application process for beginners and busy individuals. They are lightweight and easy to remove, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Benefits and usage: Eylure Definition Lashes are ideal for adding drama and intensity to your look. To use, simply align the pre-glued band with your lash line and press gently. They are perfect for evening events or whenever you want to make a statement. Usability: these lashes are highly user-friendly, thanks to their pre-glued band. They are a great option for those new to false lashes or looking for a quick, fuss-free application process. Durability: while these lashes are designed for single use, they can be reused with additional glue if handled carefully. Their affordability makes them a practical choice for experimenting with bold styles. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiss Looks So Natural. The Kiss Looks So Natural lashes are a favorite for achieving a natural, everyday look. Crafted with patented tapered end technology, these lashes blend seamlessly with your natural lashes for a subtle enhancement. Key features: these lashes are made from lightweight synthetic fibers that mimic the appearance of real lashes. The clear, flexible band ensures a comfortable fit, while the tapered ends provide a natural finish. They come in various styles to suit different preferences. Benefits and usage: Kiss Looks So Natural lashes are perfect for enhancing your eyes without looking overly dramatic. Apply a thin layer of lash adhesive, wait for it to become tacky, and position the band along your natural lash line. They are ideal for daytime wear and casual occasions. Usability: the clear band and lightweight design make these lashes easy to apply, even for beginners. Their natural appearance makes them suitable for all eye shapes and makeup styles, offering versatility for everyday use. Durability: these lashes are reusable up to 5 times with proper care. Cleaning the band after each use and storing them safely ensures they remain in good condition for multiple wears, making them a budget-friendly option. Finding the right pair of false lashes can make all the difference in achieving the perfect eye look. Whether you're going for a natural vibe, a bold statement, or something in between, these top 5 best false lashes deliver on style, comfort, and durability. Remember, the key is to choose lashes that match your occasion and personal style. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which lashes you're excited to try. See you in the next video.